What's up everyone? I hope you all had a fantastic week. In this update, I want to make the charts very simple, but also show you how I've taken advantage of this move so you can use this knowledge to take advantage of the next one. This being said, in my last update if you remember, price was right there, and I shared just one short trade. It was this one, if I just find it quickly, it was right there. It was the short off of the rejection of the point of control, stop loss above the highs, and the final target was below these lows. So if you go back on the charts, even though the final target was not reached, so if I add it, it was on this candle, stop loss above these highs, and then final target was right there. So as you can see, even though the low was not taken again, this was still a very nice short trade. Because from my entry point, we had a drop of almost 3.5%. And then when price was right there, I updated the Discord and said that I was personally out of all trades. So right there, out of all trades. Why? Because we had very important news. We had the CPI news, which were a make or break for Bitcoin in my opinion. And that's simply why I was completely out of the market. Personally, I don't like trading news. I believe that it's a very easy way to lose money and take bad trades. There's really no way to know if the news will be positive or negative. So, in this case, the news came in positive, right on expectations, and then Bitcoin moved up. And finally, my last update was that I expected new all time highs. Why? Because Bitcoin had broken a major high on the charts, this one. So then, how did I take advantage of this move? Because what most people will do is when they miss these lows and see positive news, they will get very angry and start to open bad trades. They will long their eyes, then when they see a drop, they will get scared, close their trades, and then see a reversal, and then repeat the process. So personally what I did in this case is very simple. Is what I teach you to do in the courses, in the Discord, and on our website in general. I looked for a support level. In this case, I was personally interested in the low of this 4-hour candle. And as you can see, when price came down and then I saw a reaction, what I did is simply take a trade. I opened the long with a high leverage this time. In previous updates, as you've probably seen, I usually trade with a 10x leverage. This trade is a 25x leverage. The reason I increased my leverage is simply because when I saw this move and I saw positive news, I expected new all-time highs. The trend became very clear in my opinion as we broke a major high and then we hit a major support level. So that's why I increased my leverage, I became a bit more aggressive in my trades, and I took advantage of this move. And as you can see, I had the very take profit one at the high of this range, and now I'm just riding the trade for a potential new all-time high. Now watch out, I'm not telling you to be aggressive recklessly. If you increase your leverage and lose too much money because you don't have a plan and you're also not comfortable trading with higher leverage, you'll simply get wrecked. So please, when you want to become more aggressive in the market, it's super important to have a plan in place. Have a support level ready, have a take profit ready, and know exactly how much money you will lose. If you're comfortable losing that money, simply take the trade, have a stop loss, have a take profit, and then write the rest. It's very simple. So at this point, if you're not in the market because you've missed trades or simply taken bad trades, what levels do we have on the chart? Above us, at this point in my opinion, we don't have too much resistance. If I look at the volume profile of this range, we have the value area high next to the old all-time high, and also this is an area of inefficiencies. So really, apart from this level, I'm not too interested in looking for shorts. I'm just looking at this level, and of course, if price reaches it and then I see a rejection, I will be more than happy to take a short, even though I expect new all-time highs. Why? Again, because I have a resistance, I see a reaction, I will take a trade, a fixed stop loss, and it's that simple. Below us, I don't believe we have too many important supports. As we've already taken these inefficiencies right there, I don't see any very interesting support in this range. So what you should do, if I just hide this, is find your own support level in this range, if you're interested in longs, of course. Then, tomorrow on Monday, if you see the daily open, then a small rise and a big drop, for example, what you will simply do is have your support ready, open a long position, put a stop loss, and then ride the trend higher. But again, personally, in this range, I'm not too interested in longs, simply because at this point, price is a bit too close to my entry. So I don't really see a point to add to my long in this range. So this being said, this is very simply what you should do. Have resistances ready, have supports ready, have a plan ready, and then take a very logical trade with a tight stop loss. And of course, if you want to know how to read the charts and build a strategy, this is exactly what we teach you in our courses. As you can see, we have a lot of courses, and as promised, the horizontal levels course will be coming out this week. So stay tuned for that. And this was mostly it for this update. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as usual, I will see you in the next one.